Do you know a data analyst who works as a freelancer today who makes around $50 per hour? Yes, you heard that right. A cybersecurity official earns in six figures. Sounds fascinating, right? You can also earn this much amount of money by excelling in the tech fields. But which one? That is what we are going to share in this video. Stay with us till the end to find out new exciting opportunities for tech professionals in Europe. Let's get started. On number 1, we've got blockchain. Blockchain is the technology that makes digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum possible. But it's more than just money. You can think of it as a very safe digital record that keeps track of everything. Blockchain is getting over its reputation as a tech nerd thing and really taking off. As more big capital comes in, there is a huge need for blockchain experts. To begin, a blockchain expert should know about cryptography and distributed ledger technology. Distributed ledger technology is what makes blockchain work, and cryptography keeps your data safe. One must know computer languages like Go and Solidity as well, and they are very important for building blockchain systems. After you understand the basics, check out well-known blockchain systems like Hyperledger and Ethereum. Smart contracts are digital deals that carry out themselves thanks to their code, so don't forget about them. So much is happening in the Bitcoin world nowadays, so more and more blockchain experts are needed in Europe to handle the jobs in this field. Sounds exciting, right? Number 2, cloud computing. As more companies move to the cloud, they're in constant search of professionals who can handle this technology well. When you use cloud computing, you store, manage, and process data online instead of on your computer. The cloud isn't just a nice idea, it's a big deal in the tech world. Do you want to be a cloud star? It's important to pay attention to cloud architecture, which includes making cloud systems, cloud security, which means keeping data safe, and cloud movement, in which you should be well versed in moving apps and data to the cloud. Many fields including banking, healthcare, retail, and production need people with these skills. Trust me, Europe needs tech experts with knowledge of cloud computing, and this can be your chance. To master the field, begin by looking into well-known cloud services like Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, and Google Cloud. Learn about these big names, then go deeper into cloud design and deployment, and finally, get good at cloud security. Sounds simple, right? Don't get trapped. It is not as easy as it sounds. To master any skill, you need to put in effort. Are you ready to do that? Number 3, UX designing. UX design is all about making digital goods and services that work well, are fun to use, and are easy to understand. It's like making a journey that's easy for people to follow. Users, interface design, and usability tests are some of the ways that UX designers make sure that using a website or app is easy and enjoyable. As more companies see how useful UX design can be, they will need more skilled designers. If you want to create a career in UX design, you should first learn the basics of design. Do some study on your users and use modeling tools like Figma and Sketch to make prototypes and mock-ups. You should also know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, because they are front-end languages that make it easier for UX designers and developers to work together and make sure the finished product is perfect. You can learn UX design from a lot of different places, such as online classes and open source projects that give you real-world experience. Keep your mind open and your love for design alive. This will help you make goods that people love. You can become a UX design master if you have the right skills and the drive. And if you are already master of the field, then you need to get your cape because the world is waiting for you. Number 4, data analysis. Data analytics is all about digging through huge amounts of data to find patterns and make smart choices. It might sound boring, but the money is good. The need for smart data analysts is going through the roof because data is becoming such an important part of business plans. Companies are ready to pay fortunes to data analysts. If you're exploring the field, you can learn a lot about business intelligence, data science, and data engineering in the field of data analytics. You need to be well versed in a computer language like Python or R to get started. Python is great for beginners, and there are a lot of classes that can help you get started. Once you know how to code well, it's time to get better at machine learning, data analysis, and data display. Finding trends and new ideas in large sets of data is what data analysis is all about. Data visualization is the process of making charts and graphs out of numbers that are easy to understand. You can also use data from the past to guess what will happen in the future with machine learning. Honestly, people who have started their careers as data analysts today will be the most needed professionals in the coming couple of years. Number 5. Virtual reality and augmented reality. Augmented and virtual reality, called as AR and VR, takes you into a whole new world of options, from therapy and learning to fun and games. From children to the oldies, everyone is in awe of this technology. If you're someone who uses good tools for 3D models, and you believe that 3D modeling tools like Blender and Unreal Engine can be used to make the models needed for AR and VR experiences, then you're much needed, my friend. If you know Vuforia, ARKit, and ARCore like the back of your hand, you got it. If you advise juniors that it's not enough to just make an AR/VR experience look cool, you'll also need to make sure that it works well and is fun for users. The world is looking forward to utilizing your skills to create a better reality. Number 6. DevOps. Software development and IT operations work together as a team in DevOps to make systems that work well and reliably. You are a professional. I know you know it. Having DevOps in place is important for all big businesses, no matter what field they are in. Developers and operators of systems are in high demand because more and more businesses are going digital and need their skills. If you as a tech professional know about basic software development methods like Agile and Scrum, then you can make a living. You have plenty of jobs waiting for you because these are what current business workflows are built on. If you want to be better than your competitors, you can learn about continuous integration and continuous development methods to make software development faster and easier. Number 7. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is something everyone is aware of today. Right now, cybersecurity is the hottest topic in tech, and for good reason. Hacks and data breaches are in the news all the time, so businesses are looking for pros to keep their systems and data safe. A cybersecurity expert builds foolproof walls around the company's data and safeguards it for a long while. To build a strong profile, pay attention to the most important parts of cybersecurity: risk management, network security, and software security. Software security protects the programs you run, network security protects the networks you use, and risk management helps you plan for and deal with possible threats. Important certifications are very helpful in securing a good job for a cybersecurity profile. The CompTIA Security Plus and Certified Ethical Hacker exams are well known and will help you build a strong base. These certifications are like a superhero cape for cybersecurity. They show that you know how to protect and fight. After getting your credentials, learn more about specific tools and skills. Always learn more about the newest threats and tools and keep your skills sharp. You can do well in this rapidly changing and popular field if you get the right training and want to keep digital places safe. Number 8. Internet of Things. Our wearable tech and smart homes are all connected to the Internet of Things. The IoT is also used in healthcare and business automation. Giving everyday things a brain and a voice is like that. If you want to make a career in this tech field, then follow these simple steps. First, learn the basics. We know you know this. Just telling. Learn about computer languages like C and Python, embedded systems, and electrical design. These are the building blocks of IoT. They let you make devices that are connected and handle them. Next, learn about well-known IoT devices such as ESP32, Raspberry Pi, and Arduino. As you get better, you can focus on IoT architecture, IoT security, or IoT analytics. Which tech field excites you the most? Do share with us in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.